what do you have hanging at home? What do you like? And I realized everything I had hanging at home was not here at my studio.
Today we are standing in beautiful Jackson Hole, Wyoming. We're so excited to be back out here working with Florence McCall Photography again. She has a whole new set of images in her studio now, took a look at the numbers, what was really selling. We're really excited to share that with you.
I definitely did some recon and went to all the museums in New York City and looked at how they're displaying art, because ultimately I want to display my pieces as art, like something beautiful for people to stop and look at. And all the museums have float frames, clean, simple float frames.
So what was it about this grouping that really caught your attention?
Well, that's a really good question. When you showed it on that other studio redo, there's something that really, it was very clean and contemporary, and it wasn't too big, it wasn't too small. I wanted to have it where I found out what my people bought the most, have it really easy for them to see, so they could just look over their shoulder. I already had one sale last week that it was like instant, great. Piece of cake, fluid, I was confident.
And what was that number, if you wouldn't mind sharing?
It was a very nice number of $36,000, which was pretty cool.
Yeah. Did you hear that? $36,000 in a single sale. High five.